So she turns pretty fast. She's got a 1/2 horsepower 3-phase motor. It's that's the tag. Very heavy machine, very heavy. That's the adjuster. To raise this up and down. I paid $180 Australian. The guy that I bought it off, he said his father has had it for about 15 years, and he said that he acquired it from a high school. So there's only just one little mark on there in the centre. Got a tiny chuck in it. The spindle turns, the motor's got a tight spot in it. So that's going to require disassembling and clean it out, and maybe even change the bearings. It's got a coolant trough. That's the outlet back there. Just try and turn this around so I can get some video of the tag on the motor. Just a tag. It's not the original colour. That's the original colour in there. That grey. That colour just there. So that's it. Hope you like my video. And that's all for now.